Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to recover your Bybit password. If you ever found yourself locked out of your Bybit account, then do not panic at all. Whether you are logged out or still signed in but forgotten your password, Bybit provides clear, secure steps to get you back in. First of all, launch open the Bybit application on your smartphone. Once you end up in this page, tap on the Login Now button at the bottom. This will take you to the login interface. Select whether you've previously created your account with email or phone number from the top, and once making the selection, type down your email that is used in order to create your Bybit account. Type down your correct email address and click on Forgot Password. Make sure that you're typing in your email correct that is associated with your Bybit account and click the Reset Password button. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email by typing in the code that you received via email address. Open up your email service provider's inbox and you'll receive an email from Bybit. Click it open and copy the code inside it. After copying the code, you can paste it inside the Bybit app. After doing so, you'll be taken to a next page where you can enter or create a new password for your Bybit account. Make sure you create a strong password, including the criteria popping up right underneath the password box. After creating a strong password meeting the criteria, re-enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, once typing down the password in both of the text boxes, click on Reset Password. Now your password is reset successfully. You'll be redirected to the login page. Now, type down your phone number or your email address and then the password that you just created. After typing down the credentials, click on Login Now, and there you have successfully logged in with your new password that you just reset. That way, even if you lost access to your password, you can easily sign in following these steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.